and welcome to Esoteric Teachings. Tonight I present you with a ritual to invoke the god Helios and to gain control over your shadow in the Greco-Egyptian tradition. From PGM III, 612 through 632. So here is the ritual. If you make an offering of wheaten meal, and ripe mulberries and unsoftened sesame, and uncooked thrian, and throw into this a beet, you will gain control of your own shadow, so that it will serve you. Go at the 6th hour of the day, toward the rising sun, to a deserted place, girt about with a new male palm fiber basket, and on your head, a scarlet cord as a headband. Behind your right ear, the feather of a falcon. Behind your left ear, that of an ibis. Having reached the place, prostrate yourself, stretch out your hands, and utter the following formula. "'Cause now my shadow to serve me, because I know your sacred names, and your signs and your symbols, and who you are at each hour, and what your name is." Having said this, utter the formula given above. Parenthetically, this is the formula given in PGM 494 through 536, containing the signs and symbols, and which begins, "Come to me, from the four winds of the world, air traversing, great God," etc. The ritual continues. And when you have finished, say, "I have uttered your sacred names, and your signs and your symbols, wherefore, O Lord, Helios, cause my shadow to serve me." And at the 7th hour it will come to you before your face, and you address it, and say, "Follow me everywhere. But look to it, that it not leave you." End of ritual to gain control over your own shadow, so that it may serve you. Please like, share and subscribe to Esoteric Teachings channel. What did you think of this one? Tell us what you think in the comments section, and check out our channel for more esoteric content. Thank you, and see you next time on Esoteric Teachings.